What's the meaning of contusion? Contusion. Contusion.
Contusion. Contusion. Contusion refers to a type of injury where there is damage or bruising to the soft tissues underneath the skin due to a direct blow or impact. The result of a contusion can range from mild pain and tenderness to more severe symptoms such as swelling, discoloration, and loss of function in the affected area. In some cases, there may also be internal bleeding or damage to deeper tissues and organs. Treatment typically involves rest, ice, compression, and elevation of the injured area, along with pain relief medication as needed.